Our next training will be start from the 10th March. From the 10th March, this training will be
10
start.
March, yeah?
Yeah, 10 March.
Yeah. Okay. Can you share with me your catalog and pricing?
Okay. Okay. So just a minute, I
Okay.
simply share with you. Just a minute. Okay.
Okay.
And this is our fifth number of batch. Will be start from the 10 March, and now this the batch 4 batch is the continue. Okay, so this 4 batch is continue. It also
Okay.
class have the today also after 20 minutes. We also try to start this batch class. Okay, this class will be start, but our next batch registration is the also open. So just I simply share with you. Just a minute.
Okay.
Okay, just a minute. I simply okay.
Looks like I'll be stopping doing civil engineering things.
Yeah.
This is
So
more
it was
interesting.
covered. Yeah. So land use, land
Yeah.
cover. Then we also try to discuss about that. Okay. So just I simply open my LinkedIn. Just a minute.
Okay.
So in this time, I also back in my rural area. So that's why it's the network connectivity is the very poor. So that's why this time. But when I want to go to my office, then it will be it also better. That's the no problem. But in this time in here the rural area, that's why
Okay.
the network connection the very damaged. Okay, just a
Yeah.
minute.
Yeah. Internet connection fluctuates
Yeah.
everywhere. Yeah. So that class is starting on 10th March, yeah?
Yeah, 10th March. Yeah, 10 March. But our registration is open, and first 5 registered people get the 50% discount. Okay, and already joined more 2
Okay.
people for this training, and our registration process is also going on.
Okay.
So here you can see I also give the post. So in this time, this is the registration. Class will be start from the 10 March, and
Mm-hmm.
it booking last day is the 1st March, and the first 5 registered people will get the 50% discount. Class take only for the
Okay.
Friday and Saturday in a week. Okay, and each day 3
Okay.
hours we can provide 3 hours, and this training cover all of the things such as who don't have any knowledge about the programming, such as JavaScript programming. If you don't
Okay.
know, there is a no problem, because Google Earth Engine platform we can run the Python and JavaScript. But in this time I try to teach you JavaScript A to Z, which you want to need to learn the
Okay.
Google Earth Engine platform, and also make the data analysis using this platform. Okay, then as a
Okay.
non-coder, as a non-programming knowledge, suppose you have done no knowledge about the programming, then you can easily learn the programming. After that you can easily apply this knowledge in Google Earth Engine platform for remote sensing data analysis, different types of data. Okay, we can cover all of the
Mm.
things here, the total course content. Okay, so I also share with you, then it also better.
Okay. Please.
Okay, just
Please.
like copy and share with you. So you also try to read this, and then you can easily join if you want to. So okay,
Okay.
and we also provide the some demo class, so they are also better for you for the first demo class. I also
Okay.
share this link in here. So just
Please.
okay,
Please.
so you
Please.
also try to check this. Okay, then if you want
Okay.
interested and also learn the as a beginner, so don't any knowledge about the coding, they can easily join my online training program. And I hope and I believe that after completing the total 7 days training program, he or she can
Mm-hmm.
easily make the any types of remote sensing analysis using the Google Earth Engine platform very quickly and efficiently, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
Inshallah. Inshallah.
Yeah,
Well,
and
I
my
think. Well, I think if I get what I want, I'll bring more people for you.
yeah.
I can vouch for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can also get the most smart then. Suppose when you want to learn about the temperature data, how you can easily do this using the same process, you can also apply for the precipitation data. The same process in Google Earth Engine platform.
Mm.
Okay. Just you need to know about the
Okay.
function, all
Okay.
of the built-in function. Then you can easily apply this, and you can easily work with this. I hope there is a no much hard for you to learn all of the things.
Okay. Okay. No, I'm ready to learn those things, and I am ready
Yeah.
to deliver you assignments.
Okay.
So you will share with me also the pricing plan.
Okay, so
The pricing
basically
plan,
this online
please.
training program is the 500 USD dollar, But first 5 people get the 50%
Okay.
discount, only 250 USD dollar. First 5 people get these
Okay.
opportunities.
Okay.
And this training,
And
you can
how
also
will
get
the
the
payments
lifetime
done?
supported from us. Suppose any student who can enroll our online training program, they can easily get the lifetime support for any problem. You can get the free solution. Okay, suppose you did not
Okay.
understand any
You also
class, you can also again join this class
yes.
also.
Okay. 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 You also provide certificate, right?
Yeah, you can also get the certificate from our institution, study hacks. You can also get a certificate, e-certificate you can get
Okay.
from
Okay.
us. Yeah.
And yeah, yeah. I've seen in your videos that you also support. You provide
Yeah,
lifetime student
yeah,
support.
obviously you can get this. Yeah, suppose any problem, you did not
Okay.
understand the code, what's the data you can get. So this type of support you can get the lifetime. And we are also making all of the students who join with us, we are also making the different types of best. Different types of best has a different types of group. Okay, so you can easily join this group, you
Okay.
can also easily ask your question, you can easily get the answer from this group. So you can easily learn all of the things.
Okay. How is the payment done?
Yeah,
How is the payment done?
so in this time you can make the payment using the Western Union or bank account from your site.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
Western Union
Western
is
Union. I think that will be
available.
better.
Also, you can make the payment from your directly bank from here.
Okay. Okay. I think I'll stick to the Western Union. That will be very fine.
Okay, so I also send you all of the details
Y-
from me. Then you can easily make the
please,
payment the Western
please.
Union, and you can easily join with.
Okay.
After completing this payment, I also give you the access in our WhatsApp training group for the 10th batch or 10 March will be start.
Okay.
Then you can easily get all of the
Okay.
information from this.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'll do that. I'll do that.
Okay.
So let me register. Let me register the training, and then I prepare the payments.
Okay, I also
Then from there, I
okay,
think.
okay. So I also give you the details. You make the payment and then send me the payment receipt. Then I also give you the access in our next batch, which will be held on the 10th March. Then you can easily get all of our information. Okay.
Okay. So, okay. Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
today is no
So
more.
let me register
Yeah.
prior. Let me register prior, so that I don't miss the opportunity of the fifty
Okay.
percent.
So I also registered with you. There is no problem. Okay. So I also registered
Okay.
with your name and your
Okay.
phone number. Then I also give you the discount. Okay.
Good.
Then it's no problem.
Yeah. 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 You
Okay.
have my number.
Okay.
You have my name, Ibrahim M. Hassan. You can use that. You need my
Okay.
email?
Okay. Thank you. Okay. You can also send the email also. Yeah. Please. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Have you
today's
opened the site for HVAC? Yeah, sorry, the site for Swalim. Swalim. I shared both links on the chat box.
okay. So I'll also send you this WhatsApp group link in your chat box.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you for
Okay.
joining. Okay, thank you. Okay,
Thank you
thank
so
you.
much, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
You are in Bangladesh or
Yeah, so I
Indonesia.
am from Bangladesh. Yeah, and after
Okay,
10 minutes,
Bangladesh. Okay.
I need to also take the class because our already one batch will be going on. So after 10 minutes, I also take the
Okay.
class. Okay, so today is no more. So
Okay.
you
Okay.
also registered
Okay.
in this time and
Okay.
also join our the next batch. Inshallah, we can meet. Okay.
Inshallah. Thank you so much. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Okay. Bye.